Hello friends! Today we will learn how to use period. So let's start. We use a period to mark the end of a sentence. I am participating in basketball championship. He is getting late for his office. She is a brainy girl. So we end sentences other than exclamatory and interrogative sentences with a period. Period is also used at the end of one-word sentences. For example, who wants to have coffee? Me. Here, me is one-word sentence and ends with a full stop. From where can I get a cab? Here. Here is one-word sentence and ends with a full stop. Shall we start the game? Wait. Here, wait is one-word sentence and ends with a period. Period is also used in abbreviations. For example, this is the abbreviation for doctor. This is abbreviation for road. This is for saint. This is for Mr. And this is for United States of America. Here we have used a period after all the letters of the abbreviations. Some abbreviations can be made with or without periods. For example, United States of America can be written like this or these. One is with period or one is without periods. Now, here we have the abbreviation for names of days. Names of days are abbreviated as first part of the word followed by a period. Names of months are also abbreviated using a period. Now here we have abbreviations for time. 6 ante-meridian is written as 6 a.m. 8 post-meridian is written as 8 p.m. Here we have to know one more thing. If the last word in a sentence is an abbreviation with a period in the end, there is no need to put another period in the end of a sentence. Example, we are going on vacation on Monday. We met last in February. I will reach my destination tomorrow by 3 p.m. In all these sentences, we have abbreviation in the end with the period. So, we have not used another period to mark the end of a sentence. Now here we have another use of period. Period is also used as ellipses. An ellipse in the end of a sentence shows trailing off of thought or shows the hesitation of the speaker. Example, I can't explain. I can only say sorry. So, here the ellipsis shows the hesitation of the speaker, as the speaker has not completed the sentence. Ellipse is also used when the writer is sure that the reader can understand further without using more words. Example, we all tried to convince him, but he was so arrogant that... Here, the ellipsis means the writer is sure, but the reader can understand further. No need to write more words. The story continues. It often comes in the end of a movie. Ellipse is also shows that writer is choosing not to speak certain things. Ellipse are also used to show a pause. Example, wait a minute, I'm confused. Here, ellipsis is being used to mark a big pause. So, here comes our entertainer of the party. Here again, ellipsis is being used to mark a big pause. So friends, today we learned various uses of a period. Now you may go ahead and take a quiz to learn more. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And if you want to see more fun videos, you can hit that subscribe button. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more content. Bye-bye!